The icon is moving toward its 52-week high, and it is presumably going to break the past high with a market cap of $585,566,013.42 and the most recent 24 hours exchanging volume of $20,642,292.59. With this, icon is presently positioned number 116 in the realm of digital forms of money. Be that as it may, what is the deal with this crypto, and how it has demonstrated its history throughout the long term, advancing past the underlying stage idea? We should dive in profound into the matter. The outline of Icon organization and ICX token. The organization influences blockchain innovation to monitor every one of the exchanges utilizing a public record. However, there are so many digital currencies to browse that it is becoming challenging to conclude which one ought to choose. With more coin projects arising, each task utilizes an alternate arrangement of tokens and calculations to work. This is turning out to be too complicated. Yet an answer for this was presented back in 2017. The thought was to fabricate a scaffold between numerous blockchain stages utilizing a devoted correspondence convention and interface blockchain structures utilizing Icon. What makes the Icon crypto network different is that many capabilities that happen inside this biological system should execute utilizing just its local ICX cache. The group is forcefully driving itself to make the biggest decentralized network the world has at any point known. Icon, vision and activities. The venture plans to construct a decentralized organization permitting free blockchains with various legislatures to execute with one another without the need of any transitional outsiders. The high-throughput blockchain empowers the framework to be super quick without compromising quality or dependability. The motivation behind why options in contrast to Bitcoin showed up in the market is that Bitcoin was explicitly intended for exchanges, not shrewd agreements. For that reason, ethereum and different options arose in the market to fill in the hole. With the ascent in cryptos, the issue stayed that every one of these blockchains stayed disengaged, unfit to speak with each other. Through its blockchain transmission convention, Icon intended to focus on this, offering its interoperability as its center element. It permits conventions to speak with each other while offering types of assistance like savvy agreements and worth exchange. Since it is a third-age convention, Icon flaunts lightning-quick throughput speeds, which are way quicker than second-age conventions. Icon is a computerized republic with an extensive administration framework where clients say how the organization works. There are two fundamental parts of this administration which are public agents, otherwise called P-reps, and ICO-nists. ICO-nists are individuals from the Icon Republic, who will designate their ICX to the most useful P-reps, getting a high marking compensation in the business as of now advertised. P-reps are validator hubs that solid the organization and do exercises that enhance the Icon organization. The best P-reps who can enhance the local area gain the power to arrive at agreement to changes in Icon network changes through casting a ballot. This framework is called appointed evidence of commitment, where the Icon environment gets the most capable P-reps to the organization, picking the best P-reps and permitting them to cause changes that to line up with their opinions and objectives for the framework. Along these lines, it is like vote-based system working in reality. Icon market opinion. Icon is a quickly developing further presence in South Korea. Its key improvement accomplice, iconloop, has gotten the Service of Science and ICT grant for its part in advocating the blockchain area in Korea. iconloop has likewise joined forces with a few industry Goliaths and government elements. With more than 140 workers' presence in South Korea, it is one of the biggest blockchain organizations. Despite the fact that the exchange expense is as of now set at 0.01 ICX per exchange, it will be charged by a charge structure. With its ongoing organization having applications, for example, adjusted in we can perceive the way things are attempting to construct a biological system that supports itself over the long haul. How about we take a gander at a portion of the D-apps it offers and what they accomplish? Adjusted, it is where ICX holders can take out credits, trade resources, and supply liquidity. One might say, it is a decentralized bank utilizing the Icon organization and ICX as its token. It is a currency market where anybody can supply resources for procure revenue, get resources for transient credits, and make for that. The OMM gives the client to involve it as a stake and decision on the eventual fate of It is decentralized and works through brilliant agreements. Most would agree that the innovations which are quickly advancing and taking care of issues can coordinate into society. Icon has really shown what itself can do as a valuable instrument that can be utilized and in place. With the solid government support, the feeling around this token is very good until further notice. What's more, areas of strength for the value direction will just supplement this and take ICX cost to additional highs. The Icon cost today is moving toward its 52-week high. However, the coin is shaping a combination close to its breakout. This is something to be thankful for as it seems to be a cup with a handle design. The Bollinger Groups are additionally opening up, proposing an expansion in unpredictability as the aggregation is occurring right now with little spikes in volume. The ICX USD cost is somewhat steady at this reach, and it seems as though the breakout might happen soon in the icon cost. To additionally affirm the ICX cost activity, we can see that an enormous spike in volume was seen in September. This is a decent pointer for the specialized investigation that the market accepts that the ongoing cost of icon is underestimated. As the unpredictability is non-existent at the present moment, it is a sure thing to put cash into ICX and put resources into it for the long haul according to our transient cryptographic money estimate framework. At the point when we take a gander at the verifiable highs, we can see that the ongoing cost of icon is not even close to its past most extreme cost when the icon cost rise soar. The typical cost of icon cryptographic money is well over the 50-day moving normal. With the RSI marker showing the overbought condition, it is surely known why the RSI pointer is making a motion to sell icon. Icon Value Expectation 2023. By 2023, the anticipated cost of ICX coin may be exchanging around $1.32, considering the huge return throughout the span of 2 years. As South Korea is as of now utilizing this innovation, states will look for arrangements in the business sectors, and in light of the public interest, the ICX might reflect positive cost change according to different figures. Icon Value Expectation 2024. According to the icon figure in cost examination, in 2024, the fate of icon will be brilliant, and the anticipated cost might arrive at the very least degree of 96 cents. The exchanging cost of the ICX coin can arrive at a greatest level of its next opposition level, around $1.39 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.16. There is a huge gamble engaged with crypto exchanging. Yet at the same time, clients can contribute, exchange ICX at the ongoing cost levels for a decent return in the long haul. Icon Value Forecast 2025. By 2025, with government support and expecting that icon innovation turns into another expansion to the Korean economy, the cost will probably go upwards, even past its past all-time high. It will reach $1.69, keeping an uplifting perspective. It ought to be noticed that outside factors that a financial backer probably won't contemplate over can tremendously affect the icon cost gauge for coming years. The financial backers should do their own exploration, get wise venture exhortation, and comprehend the icon cost figure prior to going in for a long position, having a bullish mentality. Icon Value Expectation 2026. In light of ICX cost expectation, icon will be a decent long-haul interest in the digital currency market. In light of our expectations, icon costs could record a bullish breakout. Moreover, the improvement in the environment will expand the exhibition and the market reach as well according to our value examination and gauge information. According to the cost conjecture information, the ICX costs could penetrate the $1.52 mark in 2026. Is icon a wise speculation? In view of our